Ever felt like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders? Do you often find yourself overwhelmed by stress? In today's society, the rapid pace of life and the constant barrage of demands can make this feeling all too familiar. Stress has become an unwelcome yet prevalent companion in our lives. It's not just an emotional burden either. Stress can have serious implications for our physical health, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other illnesses. It's a challenge we cannot ignore. But what if we told you there's a way to navigate this storm of stress more effectively? A method that doesn't involve drastic lifestyle changes or expensive treatments. This method is mindfulness, a practice that encourages relaxation and awareness of the present moment. It's a simple yet powerful tool in the battle against stress. The weight of the world might be heavy, but what if there was a way to lighten that load? Ever heard of mindfulness? It's more than just a buzzword. Let's unpack this term together. Mindfulness at its core is about being fully engaged in the present moment. It's about noticing and accepting what's happening around you and within you without judgment. This practice has deep roots, tracing back to ancient Buddhist traditions. Over centuries, it has been used as a tool to foster inner peace, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. And it's not just for monks in mountaintop monasteries. From classrooms to corporate boardrooms, mindfulness has found a place in everyday life. Mindfulness is about cultivating a keen awareness of the here and now. It means consciously shifting our attention from the worries of the past or the anxieties of the future to the sensations, thoughts, and feelings occurring in the present. Mindfulness isn't about escaping from stress, but learning how to navigate through it. Embrace the journey, and you might be surprised by the tranquility you find. Take a deep breath. Did you know that simple act can be a powerful tool against stress? Yes, indeed. Deep breathing is a key component of mindfulness. It's about fully immersing yourself in the present moment, focusing on the sensation of your breath flowing in and out. Let's break it down. First, inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Feel your chest and belly rise. Hold this breath for a moment, savoring the stillness. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all the air and with it, your stress. This simple practice has profound benefits. It promotes relaxation, yes, but it does more than that. It helps to clear the mind, increasing focus and concentration. It's like hitting a reset button on your stress levels. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember this technique. You have the power to change your state of mind. Remember, your breath is a steady anchor in the stormy sea of stress. Your body talks. Are you listening? Body scanning is another technique that falls under the umbrella of mindfulness practices. It's akin to an intimate language between your consciousness and your physical self. But how do you go about it? Imagine starting from the crown of your head. Pay close attention to the sensations there. Is it a subtle warmth or a slight tingle? As you move your focus downwards, perhaps to your shoulders, do you sense any tension? Continue this journey, scanning each part of your body, all the way down to your toes. This practice urges you to tune into your body, promoting relaxation as you acknowledge and release any areas of tension or discomfort. It's not about judging or trying to change these sensations, but simply about noticing them. This quiet, private conversation between you and your body can help identify areas of stress, paving the way for greater relaxation and well-being. Body scanning is like a private conversation between you and your body. It's time to start listening. So, what's in it for you? Why practice mindfulness? It's a fair question. Mindfulness is more than just a buzzword. It's a tool that can unlock a multitude of benefits. Imagine being able to quiet the storm of thoughts that often lead to stress, replacing it with a sense of calm and focus. That's one of the key benefits of mindfulness, stress reduction. But it doesn't stop there. Mindfulness also sharpens your focus, allowing you to better concentrate on the task at hand. It's like gaining superpowers for your brain, helping you navigate through life's challenges with greater ease. And let's not forget about well-being. Mindfulness promotes a greater sense of overall wellness, making you feel more connected to yourself and the world around you. The beauty of mindfulness is that its benefits aren't fleeting. With regular practice, these benefits can become long-lasting, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Mindfulness isn't a magic pill, it's a journey. And like any journey, it begins with a single step.